Imagine you've been eating dinner at 7 o'clock every single night for years. Suddenly, you just stop. Your body doesn't just notice, it panics. It's entering a state of complete bewilderment. In those first 24 hours, your blood sugar plummets. Your liver is forced into overdrive, frantically draining its very last reserves of glycogen to keep you functioning. This is, without a doubt, the hardest psychological hurdle. As your dopamine levels drop, you're going to feel irritable, restless, and plagued by intense cravings. It's not just hunger. It's a mental battle against a routine your body has loved for years. Yet, in the midst of this chaos, something miraculous happens around midnight. Your insulin levels crash to their lowest point. Finally, the barrier is broken. That locked door to your stored fat is forced open, and the fire of metabolism is officially lit. You are no longer burning sugar. You have begun to burn fat. By day 3, the initial panic is over. Your body has accepted the new reality, and it is stepping into a powerful new mode: survival of the fittest. This is the turning point. Your brain signals a massive release of human growth hormone, or HGH. We are talking about a surge of up to 5 times your normal levels. Why? Because your body is incredibly smart. It knows you aren't eating, so it floods your system with HGH to protect your muscle tissue from being broken down for energy. Instead, it directs all that power toward burning your stored fat faster than ever before. You aren't wasting away. You are remodeling. Meanwhile, your liver has fully converted into a high-efficiency power plant, turning those fat stores into molecules called ketones. These are no ordinary fuel. When they cross into your brain, the famous brain fog clears instantly. You will experience a state of intense, razor-sharp focus. This is an ancestral mechanism, the same heightened state our ancestors used to hunt and thrive during times of famine.
You aren't just surviving, you are unlocking a peak cognitive state you didn't know you possessed. By day 5, your body is no longer just surviving, it is actively upgrading. Without the heavy burden of digestion every night, your system finally has the time and energy to address a massive backlog of maintenance. This is where the magic of autophagy takes over. Recognized by the Nobel Prize in 2016, this is your body's ultimate recycling program. Your cells start scanning for damaged proteins, worn-out organelles, and biological trash, breaking them down into raw materials to build brand-new, stronger components. It is a total molecular renovation occurring inside you while you sleep. And speaking of sleep, this period will transform your nights. Since your parasympathetic nervous system is finally off duty from digestion, it can focus entirely on repair. Your body syncs perfectly with your natural circadian rhythm, allowing melatonin to flood your brain without restriction. You are not just sleeping, you are experiencing deep, restorative rejuvenation. Most surprisingly, the physical pangs of hunger are gone. Your hunger hormone, ghrelin, has finally surrendered. It has adapted to this new, healthier routine, leaving you with a profound sense of lightness and clarity, free from the constant mental chatter of food. You have made it past the first week, and now a fascinating microscopic miracle is taking place. Your body is not just repairing itself, it is actually upgrading its energy infrastructure. Deep within your cells, your mitochondria, the tiny power plants that generate fuel, are multiplying. This process, called mitochondrial biogenesis, means you are creating more efficient machines to turn fat into energy. This is why you will suddenly feel an incredible, sustained endurance throughout the day, completely independent of caffeine or sugar spikes. You are becoming a more efficient, high-energy version of yourself.
Simultaneously, your gut microbiome is undergoing a massive rejuvenation. With a nightly digestive break, the harmful bacterial colonies that thrive on constant snacking are dying off, allowing beneficial bacteria to repopulate. These good microbes are busy patching up your intestinal lining, reversing chronic inflammation, and actively strengthening your immune barrier. As your gut heals, your hormones finally reset. Leptin, the hormone responsible for telling your brain you are full, becomes hypersensitive again. The constant, irrational hunger that used to plague you is gone. You are officially in control, eating only when your body truly needs fuel, not out of habit. You have reached the final phase of this 14-day journey. After 2 weeks of nightly fasting, your body is no longer just running efficiently. It is actively rewriting its own software for long-term health. Deep inside your cells, the most profound transformation is occurring: the activation of sirtuins. These are your body's specialized longevity proteins. Imagine them as highly skilled technicians scanning your DNA, fixing errors, and stabilizing your genetic code. This process is crucial because it significantly slows down the aging process at a molecular level. You aren't just looking healthier on the outside, you are becoming younger on the inside. When you look in the mirror now, the changes are undeniable. Your skin is brighter, having benefited from reduced oxidative stress. Your body is firmer, leaner, and more resilient. But the most significant change is in your mind, a profound, calm clarity that replaces the frantic anxiety of the first few days. However, this is where you must listen closely. This transformative state is not permanent unless you support it. To maintain this level of health, your daytime meals must be intentional. They need to be rich in high-quality protein to support muscle maintenance, packed with essential electrolytes to support hydration, and loaded with micronutrients to keep your cellular machines running perfectly. Remember, skipping dinner for 2 weeks is not about punishing yourself or starving. It is an art form, a deliberate, scientific way to allow your body the necessary time to heal, repair, and thrive. You have learned to listen to your biology, understanding that true abundance comes from disciplined rest. Your journey toward a better, more resilient version of yourself has only just begun.